Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit in Bitget exchange. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Bitget mobile application, and once you are on the home page, first you need to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner. Then you need to tap on the sport tab in the top. Over here you need to tap on the add funds option, and here you will be able to see various types of deposit methods. Like you can deposit crypto from any other exchanges or wallets. You can also buy crypto with your credit or debit card, P2P trading, third party payment, and with UPI. So among these options, you just have to select the deposit crypto option, and then you will be landed on this deposit crypto page. Here you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to deposit. So let's say you want to deposit USDT. So after selecting USDT, you will be asked to choose the network. So you just have to choose the network whichever you want. So if you want to reduce the fees, then I would recommend you to use the BEP20 network. Then it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that deposit address from Bitget. And then you need to just go to that particular exchange or wallet from which you are going to deposit the money in Bitget. Then you just have to provide the details like the deposit address and the amount in that exchange or wallet, and you just have to confirm your withdrawal from there. Afterwards, you will receive the deposit money in your Bitget account once the transaction is complete. And in order to see that, you just have to tap on the assets tab, and then you need to tap on the USDT or the coin option that you have deposited in your Bitget exchange. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.